X Limited has a branch at Nasik, which to which goods are invoiced at, yeah, see, it's at invoice price. What is the ratio? Cost plus 25%. Okay. The information is supplied to you for the year 2019. Fine. So stock as on 1st 2019, that also at invoice price. So this is my opening stock. Daters as on 1st 2019, my opening daters. Okay. Petty cash same date, opening petty cash. So these are all my opening balances of assets. Goods sent to branch. Okay, but see, it is written here at cost. It should be at IP. Correct? Last lecture also I told you the same thing. I was telling you to search whether goods sent to branch is at what price. See here in this sum, question number 9, the previous sum, stock at invoice price. So we need not calculate the invoice price. It was the information as per the question was already calculated. Okay, but see here in this question, ओपनिंग स्टॉक इनवॉइस प्राइस पे है, गुड्स सेंड टू ब्रांच भी इनवॉइस प्राइस पे होना चाहिए बट नहीं है, इट इज एट कॉस्ट प्राइस, तो हमको इनवॉइस प्राइस निकालना है. एम आई क्लियर अबाउट दिस? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is this clear? Goods sent to branch, it should be at IP, but it is given at CP, cost price. So we have to convert it into IP. Okay? Yeah. So this is the newness in the sum. Okay, this part. Then cash sales 52,000, credit sales भी दिया है, cash received from debtors. Okay. Then discount allowed to debtors, cash remitted to branch for expense, petty cash at branch on for 31st 12 2019. So this is closing balance. Stock on 31st 12 2019, closing stock, that too at IP. Yeah. Liability for expense 31st 12 2019, closing balance of liability. Okay. Only this much information is there. Okay. So let us first prepare a branch account. So write out. Yeah, students, just write out in the books of HO. Which branch is this? Nasik branch. Okay. If you don't want to waste your time, you can just write here only IP. Okay, चलेगा. या तो नीचे फिर हर स्टेप पे लिखना पड़ेगा, या तो इट्स बेटर आई गेस कॉमन स्टेप इधर ही लिख दो. हाँ, IP लिख दो. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ना? Am I clear? Let us do the working note. I hope everybody remembers the working note. Yeah. Selling prices IP. कितना है? 25% on cost. Okay, so this becomes 125. So what will be your profit percentage? 25 divided by 125. Same like the earlier sum, that it is 1/5 on IP. Okay, just write down all these things. Make a note of all this. Okay, is it done till here? Okay, this profit is also known as, ये profit का और एक नाम भी है. It is also known as loading price. तो अगर कोई आपको बोले cost price plus loading price is equal to IP, yes, say yes, it is true statement. Okay, note down all these terminologies. ये सब terminologies note down करके रखो, बहुत काम आएगा during exams. Okay, yeah, let us start. Opening stock. So right here to opening balance of assets. Particulars, amount, particulars, amount. Okay. So first is stock 30,000. 30,000. Immediately इसके बाजू में इसका IP निकालो. Yeah. By, oh, you can say stock reserve. Yeah. By stock reserve, opening stock. Okay. Which price you will do? Profit or the loading price. ठीक है, आप लोडिंग भी लिख सकते हो स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसा ये वर्ड भी लिख सकते हो, एक ही बात है. ठीक है, प्रॉफिट भी लिख सकते हो, लोडिंग वर्ड भी लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, सो 30,000 का 1/5, तो इट इज ऑब्वियसली 6,000. Immediately, so that you don't forget to write. Next, debtors 20,000. So this is my opening balance of debtors 20,000. Next, petty cash 160. So petty cash 160. Next, goods sent to branch. So so what is the journal entry? Branch account debit to GSTB. Okay. So right here to GSTB. ठीक है, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट ये सब आईपी पे है. ओके, इनवॉइस प्राइस, हाउ मच इज द अमाउंट? 80 है ना, बट ये कॉस्ट पे है, अपने को इस पे चाहिए, आईपी पे चाहिए, है ना. सो ये हमको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. लेट अस कैलकुलेट ओपनिंग स्टॉक. ओके, Okay, so let us calculate, yeah, working note number 2, goods sent to branch at invoice price. We have to calculate this. ठीक है, C plus P equal to S. बराबर, it is how much? 80,000. If I'm not wrong, just let me check. 80,000 cost है ना, yeah. Okay, so ये कितना था? 100. This is 25. So this is 125. Cross multiply, you will get your answer. Okay, yeah. So 80,000 into 125 divided by 100. So my answer is 1 lakh. Okay, so this is my answer. So write it here, to GSTB 1 lakh. Okay, working note number 2. Immediately record the loading on the opposite side. By GSTB, write here loading, or you can write profit, एक ही बात है. ठीक है, how much? 1 lakh का 1/5. I guess it would be 20,000. Yeah. Am I clear to everyone till here? समझ में आ रहा है? What do you have to do? Next. So even this is done. Cash sales. So cash sales का entry क्या आएगा? Whatever money comes in, where will it go? It will go to, yeah, HO. तो HO के लिए तो it is money coming in. तो cash bank to branch. Okay, only for cash. Credit के लिए नहीं. Credit का तो बाद में पैसा मिलेगा ना. Okay, so cash to branch. So right here, buy cash. This is cash sales. Okay, how much? 52,000. Next, okay, next, cash received from debtors. So this money will also go there. Cash remitted to discount allowed to debtors. This will also go in debtors account. Petty cash is there. Closing is there. Chalo likho. Right here, by closing balance of assets. We have stock, we have debtors, and we have petty cash. Okay, please note down on this. Okay, so how much is my stock? 24,000, that too at IP. 24,000 at IP. Immediately take the, yeah, effect here. To stock reserve, closing stock. We will be taking the loading, or you call it as profit, it's one and the same. लोडिंग प्राइस है, दैट इज प्रॉफिट एलिमेंट. कितना है 24,000, उसका 1/5. ओके, सो 24,000 डिवाइड बाय 5 कितना होता है 4,800. सो राइट इट हियर 4,800. नेक्स्ट क्या है? क्लोजिंग डेटर्स नहीं है, तो दैट वील हैव टू फाइंड बाय यूजिंग अ वर्किंग नोट. देन वी हैव पेटी कैश क्लोजिंग 180. Okay, liabilities for expense, that is the closing one. So let me writing here. To closing balance of liability. So opening balance नहीं है इसका, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. 500. Okay, opening balance नहीं है for liability. ठीक है. या दीक्षा, creditors are not given in the question ना. Creditors दिया ही नहीं है. ठीक है, it's not given. See the whole question, there are no creditors. It's okay. Okay, just note down on this. See that everything is written, because now I will be making working note में daters, because closing daters नहीं दिया है ना, तो वो हमको खुद find करना है closing daters. Okay, इसमें cash remittance नहीं दिया है. Okay, दिया है cash remitted to branch for expense. Here, cash remitted to branch for expense. So branch account debit to cash. So right here, branch account debit to cash. This is for expense purpose. 16,000. Write it on the debit side. Okay. Now whatever cash you have received from debtors, okay, I'm talking about this cash, student, this cash, ये किसके पास जाएगा? एचओ के पास जाएगा, बराबर ना, क्योंकि जो भी पैसा ब्रांच के पास आता है वो अल्टीमेटली जाता किसके पास है? एचओ के पास, राइट? सो कैश to branch. So cash to branch. So here I will write by cash. यही वाला by cash. You can write collection from datas. Collection from datas. How much? 68,400. 68,400. ठीक है. 72,000 का क्रेडिट सेल्स हुआ है. उसमें से 68,400 ही अभी तक हमको मिला है. ओके. Okay. Now let's make a debtors account. A rough debtors, I mean. Working note number 3. Debtors. So opening debtors, opening balance of debtors. How much? 20,000. ठीक है. और डेटर्स के रिलेटेड जो भी एंट्री है सब डालते जाओ. तो डेटर्स के रिलेटेड है अपना क्रेडिट सेल्स. करेक्ट. तो क्रेडिट सेल्स का एंट्री क्या है? डेटर्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू क्रेडिट सेल्स. ओके. या so 72,000. So debtors account debit to credit sales. Okay. 72,000. Next entry related to debtors is this cash received from debtors. तो हमने एचओ के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से तो एंट्री डाल दिया. अभी डेटर्स के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से डालो एंट्री कैश रिसीव फ्रॉम डेटर्स. तो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू डेटर्स. ओके. सो इधर ही आएगा बाय कैश. कलेक्शन फ्रॉम डेटर्स का एंट्री. collection from debtors. $68,400. Correct. Next entry वो discount वाला. Okay. This will be reflected in debtors as discount to debtors. 1,600. Okay. So discount to debtors. So all this information is given so that you can calculate closing debtors. Okay. By discount. Okay. These entries will not be reflected in branch. I mean, even if you reflect it, उसके लिए trading P&L बनेगा. I can show you in some other lecture that way. Okay. ये वाला समझा ना. कैश रिसीव फ्रॉम डेटर्स. ये जो पैसा है अजम्पशन क्या होता है? जो भी पैसा ब्रांच के पास आएगा वो कहाँ जाएगा? एचओ के पास. सो एचओ के पास पैसा आया मतलब कैश बैंक टू ब्रांच एचओ एंट्री डालेगा. और ये तो नॉर्मल जर्नल एंट्री है कैश टू डेटर्स विच इज रिफ्लेक्टेड इन डेटर्स. एम आई क्लियर अबाउट दिस? समझ में आ रहा है? Is it clear to everyone? Then close your Debtors account. Now these are all easy sums I have taken. Next lecture onwards, I'll take up sums where cash, opening cash is given, closing cash is not given. So even we'll have to make cash account. Okay. So 20 plus 72 is how much? 92. Okay. So 92,000 minus 68,400 minus 1,600. कितना हुआ? 22,000. So what is this? This is my closing balance of debtors. Okay, so this is my answer. Closing balance of debtors. Okay, चलो इसको यहाँ लिख लो as working note number 3. कितना आया मेरा आंसर? 22,000. Write it here. Done. Finished. Okay. What did I tell you? Opening balance of assets में जितना entries होता है closing में भी होना चाहिए. They have not told you closing balance of debtors is not given, but it is understood it is not given. Okay. So let us calculate 600,000 plus 20,000 plus 52,000 plus 68,400 plus 24,000 plus 22,000 plus 180 is how much? 192 8 192. How much it was? 850 if I'm not wrong. I'll have to check again. 6,000 plus 20,000 plus 52,000 plus 68,400 plus 24,000 plus 22,000 plus 180. So it is 1,92,580. 1,92,580. Okay, very good, Khushi. 1,92,580 minus the debit side. Okay, so 30,000 plus 20,000 plus 160 plus 1 lakh plus 16,000 plus 500 plus 4,800. Okay, it is how much? 1,71,460 minus this figure minus 1,92,580. So 21,120. That's my answer. 21,120. ठीक है, ये है मेरा balancing figure of branch which is transferred to P&L because that's my net profit. Am I clear about the question? समझा सबको? Okay, great. Okay, so you have to be very careful here in exam whether goods sent to branch is at cost or it is at invoice, because accordingly your calculations will change. Okay. Okay, and as I said, next lecture we will be taking up bad debts का entries also. I will consider bad debts वाला sum नहीं किया अभी तक. Then जहाँ creditors account भी बनाना पड़ेगा. Opening will be given, closing will not be given. Okay, so such sums also we will take. जहाँ पे एसेट अकाउंट ओपनिंग रहेगा, क्लोजिंग नहीं रहेगा, डिप्रिसिएशन होगा एंड ऑल दैट. ओके.